So good morning everyone because we're doing this in the morning. This is VGA development at smtvs.com, VGA Digital Lab. So we've been showing you a lot of different development on the WordPress level. Okay. And one of our main projects that we are working on and everybody looking at on the net while we're trying to get it together is the Artist Music Press. So we've been watching the videos early on, see a lot of stuff that we've been doing, and we watch the video from the early part. Remember when we just got the Artist Music Press and we started showing off the template before deploying the template inside the WordPress domain. And when we deployed it in the domain, what we did with it, on the last video we showed you about turning a community program into a music artist community. Okay, so in creating the Artist Music Press or creating the back end part of the program, I did one thing, instituted that the program could create other child websites. Okay, that's one of the things that I did, just in case that we needed to make other websites within the same domain. Also learn a lot of thing about if you're using WordPress to create your network and your first program that you put in the network, you will install all the various plugins that you may need in your network, right? Or different types of website that you may want to create in your network. Then you will install all these plugins on the main site. Now, if you're working that way, that means your main site, you're not gonna have no one come there to see anything, and you may just have a landing page there and a page that leads you to support. Okay, because of the many different plugins, which is different function that will enable the site to create other websites to deploy for different clients. Right. So in this website um, demo, it is almost like, okay, I created a site for a client, right? And it said I created a site for a client. So the client have a site now, right? Okay. And I will create if I create the site as the administrator and I give it to the client, that means the client won't be able to see the main administration. But the client will be able to log in and go to here, right? Where we have a list of menus set up. But we'll go over to the next browser where we are already logged in to show you when you log in what you can do. Here and you have my post, my profile, user groups and user blog, and you can submit a blog, right? In fact, we should kind of look at the user blog. It instructs us that there is no user blog available right now. Okay, so we need to go back there to the front of the site. Let's look up here what we were missing now. Okay, let's travel. So we have a bunch of stuff here on the front of the site, like traditional WordPress blog type site. Um, as you can see. Okay, so this is a music post site. And like most of the thing, you can post music and you can post video. Now there's a way for you to actually I give the artist a farm so you can actually load video into it instead of using the WordPress. But at this time, we actually just click on the video. Okay, I have the artist video right here. You don't need to let everybody know this song, right? And while I was creating the site, I created tags and I also had the latest post to be scrolling up, right? Okay. Um, yeah. So let's go to the scroll and you know this artist. logged in 2 songs here. So I created a list on when I was here in my port, right, on the inside. I'm gonna set this so you can't see, but when you're on the inside, when you're on the inside and you use my ports, it gives you the ability to do this right here. Okay, the neat program that I will think I might copy down and have other users can just get it and use it. Some great software. We'll break it down for sale. So you could be on $5 feet and get it and install it in your WordPress site. You have a quick boom music site ready at your fingertips. Right? Sure. Oh, let's go. We are still traveling really fast because sometimes you get rid of the side talk and the side talk just give you the side ding dang and all that kind of stuff. So if you guys sticking with us and right here, so we need to go into the back end in order to accomplish this right here. Okay, so just giving you very simple. Hitting on the tags. So we don't put other tags other than the artist stuff, right? Okay, and it shows you what's under the music tab, right? Basic, right? And then we went on live on the pop top things, right? Can definitely show you all the songs that are on the pop, right? Because I use all the tags in the same song. So he's doing that filter search thing for you, and that's really cool. Okay, and if you had your video category, you definitely get your video on your video category. Okay, so this is a neat, just really compact neat site. The great thing about the site do have something that we need to like travel out now and go over to here. And then come off of here, come off of that. So that's stuff happening here. So now we're in the site, back to the video part. But now we can look at something that we wanted to look at while you log in the site. Right? So this is the artist profile on the site. Cool, right? It's a very simple site. It's just the artist profile, and there's many artists that comes into this site and will join. Will get to actually have their own bio page, and then they can lead people back to their bio page, their profile, they read their profile, and an artist has message and could connect friends to it at the same time. Automatically join to a default group. We did not set a group, just a default group. So when you join, you are part of the group, right? We have the messaging system, and oh yes, I was there. I did a little blogging, so all the little blogging that I did in the site, it's there. So people come around and see the blog and stuff. So now, if you wrote like information, like some description about your stuff, description will be beneath there as well because I didn't do no description, right? Like that. Okay. And let's say, for instance, that we are here now anyway, and we want to like click back for a minute and want to get something. We'll have a little. Oh yeah, let's get this here and go back over here. Um, let's go to editing. So I'm showing you guys what's really going on. So we're going to the back end now. Now we're at the back end, right? All the ports. You see it? Real cool. You can hit here and create new ports, new audio ports, isn't it? But excuse me. I want to just add a few text lines to this program. Let's say you want to have the text line text for like let's go back to oh yeah, that's what let's go back to the artist side. Go up there. So you see about creating the site, you carefully learn about plugins. And I'm like a little baby when it comes to getting into stuff. I just try to play with all the toys, then, until I find all the titles I really love. So we're back at the artist, and we should look at the block then, right? So your stuff, and you have a description there, and so your page will look really pretty and nice. If every one of your stuff you did like a little description for it, you know what I mean? Like I did this, and people come and check out your blog and just say like, let me go over there, and I go to check this out, and you will get this, right? Okay. So I showed you guys how to actually do something, but let's give you guys another little small demonstration of something here. So upon starting from scratch, and you come here and you said, I'm gonna create a port, right? And this, okay, there was something here that I'm gonna try to put that allows you to actually from this end upload the um the image. So you can choose a category from here. So it's an artist category, and you can. So for this, I'm just gonna say this guy is just like artist and music. You understand? And we go reach for media. I should have some media already there in the library, so it should just kind of like look for the media already have in the library or something, Now I go, okay, give me this media right here. Right? It's just so a very simple process. Now, I will show you another page that I'm going to work on some plugin stuff to make really happen. Right? I'm up. Stop. Right? And I will just go ahead and just yeah, if we're not going to publish it, we need to publish it, but we can erase stuff to publish. Right? We want to save and do it. And do it. Boy, you get it wrong myself. That's stuff I know people need to know how to change. Okay, so we back to the development of the program, right? And show you guys how you can do things, right? So for the arts and musician I'm down in Jamaica now, I'm telling them, you get with smtbs.com, and we'll definitely do a lot of stuff for you guys and for people that's other places around the world. And you can definitely hit us up if you want to get some form of knowledge. It's a bunch of with our knowledge out here with OPS, but we're not only for part, so we are creating programs for people to get much better. So thanks for like creating my program. Okay, smtbs.com. You're gonna. All right, thanks you guys. And, this is the baby program from Artist Music Press. This is the parent side. Let's find this parent side here. It's around there someplace. Oh wow. The last activity and stuff was made in this. So, you guys see the site now, what I'm doing here, right? Cool. So this is the last activity was made in the website and stuff, right? Because certainly you update something on the site, it shows you like I just updated that. Cool. So that's what we've been doing, trying to work on a site in different ways. And the point that our artists, we still, we're waiting for stuff to you see, you guys, I created the site and I took down a few lessons, some of the plugins, and got to the real plugins. So you see the way I could say, okay, let's go to the artist thing. Like if you go here and where we get some stuff coming in there, um, and we get some stuff that we're doing here, right? And we got latest post stuff. Audio courses, you know, and you just go on, even like we go to a blog. So I think you guys like really checking out the stuff. I'm just like streaming to the stuff, and then we got like so we're still working on our artist music first. So we're gonna in development set for a while. I think we were saying on our mobile videos to all the people that are going on. We're doing much work over here at the site. We try to show people that yes, man, we got stuff happening, stuff happening in the site, and we're still working on it to make it a really, really good site for musician artists everywhere in the world. Right? So, so right now, that artist thing. Now let's go. What am I doing? And this is the. I don't. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. So see the way I'm connecting stuff, right? Okay, that's the way we're connecting. We need to like go to my outside architect. On it. Like we have our own octave too. Every artist have their own octave. So it's just traveling through the artist octave. You can leave messages and stuff, or you can do a force or something. Okay, you guys take care.